Hello and welcome to another ENS website training video. Today we're going to be looking at adding some simple content to your site, including some images and some text. So in order to add anything to a web page, you must get into your edit page mode. This link can be found on the top left hand side of your web page. Select edit page. From here we are now in our edit page mode, which looks different to our normal page in that it gives us different sections on which we can add our content to. Once you go over each heading, then you're able to click on that link. So let's add an image to our main content area of our site. Select Add to Main. Any content that you will add to your site will be in the form of a block. So let's add block. From here you'll be presented with the different types of blocks that you can add to your website. We're going to first add an image block. Select Image. First of all, we must add an image to our actual website file system so that it's stored there for us. So select Choose Image, Choose File. I'm going to be adding the path JPEG, which I have stored on my desktop. Select Open and Upload. Once this is uploaded onto our file, we will be able to choose this as the image that we want to add into our block. So once it's uploaded, select Save. We can see our image is now actually already stored in our file system. To add this to our block, just click it, select Choose. This uploads it into the actual block. Click Add. And we'll notice the image has appeared onto our website. So that's adding an image. Now to add web content in terms of text, we're going to add some underneath our image here. So select Add to Main again. This will place your text underneath your image. It's going to be a block again, so Add Block. This time it's going to be content. Select Content. This will open up into a simple text editor in which you can place your content. I've already got a paragraph that I'm going to add, so that's on my desktop. So I'm just going to simply copy and paste this in to my content box area. You can either type content out beforehand or you can type as you go. You can add as much content as you want, anywhere you like. It's pretty much a standard text editor, so it's easy to use. I'm going to change our header here to an actual header tag, as it's the same size as everything. So I want this to be a bit bigger than the main paragraph. So we select paragraph. We have different header sizes here. I'm going to go for the biggest header and call it header 1. So as you can see, this enlarges our header here. Now the default header color is blue, but I want to keep everything that nice gray color. So I'm going to highlight this, select my coloring tools, and change that to the gray there. So now we can see it matches up quite nicely here. I want to add this, so click Add. Now we see this content has in fact appeared underneath our original image. So let's just add this paragraph to different blocks around our site just so we can see how the layout can be affected. Let's add something to the sidebar. So the same as adding to the main bar, click Add to Sidebar, Add Block. Once again, it's Content. Select Content. I'm just going to copy and paste this in here. I'm going to change this header again. I don't want it as big as the other one, so let's change it to header 3. Again, that's going to turn blue, so let's change our color back to gray. Of course, you can change it to any color you'd like, but let's leave it at gray. Select Add. Now our content has appeared as a block on our sidebar. Let's finish off by publishing some more. content on both these two, footer content and footer links down here. Add to content, add block. This is content. Copy and paste this in. Let's change this to the header. Let's give it the same size as our first main content. Let's change our color to gray. Click add. All right, let's add to our footer links, add block, content. Let's get this highlighted. Let's change this to smaller paragraph heading again, header 3. Change the color. Let's just make this paragraph a tiny little bit smaller. In terms of the content, click add. Now we can see that we have quite quickly filled out our website with text and image, and they're gone to each different section of our website. This is all done in edit mode. In order to ensure that all this is actually published to the website, we just simply need to publish it to the site. In order to do this, we have to select Exit Edit Mode. Here represented with the Exit Edit Mode window. Discarding my edits, this will remove any sort of content you've added to the website, so we definitely won't be using that one. You can preview your edits or just simply move straight to Publish My Edits. Select Publish My Edits. And now you can see that we've created all the content which is now available on our website. If you decide then that you want to go back and change some of the paragraphs, or you want to change color, or you want to do anything like that, once you're on your page, you just simply head back up to Edit Page. This brings you back onto the Edit window page. Select the box you wish to change or edit. Select the Edit button. This brings you back onto the original edit page where you can make changes. You want to change the header to red. You want to do anything like that, you can easily change or edit things around here. Change it back to the color it was, update. Any changes you make, you want to go back and publish them again, exit edit mode, publish my edits. So that's the basics on adding paragraphs and images to different blocks on your webpage. Stay tuned for your next ENS website training video.